Hello everyone, welcome to the Workstatus. In this section where we are going to give information on the settings, click on the main navigation bar, come up to the more, click on the settings and you are landed to a screen like this. Let's talk about the edit organization. In this setting, you can edit the company name, the address, tax ID if any. You can select the day which you want to start your week on. And you can even allow your members to start working days, and you can select the time zone from here for the specific organization under which you want all of the organization members to run the tracker and have the data filter out as per the specific time zone. You can even click here to upload the image of your organization, and the file size should be 2 MB. These are all the settings that can be done, and then you can click on the date format to change it to the MMDDYY or YYDDMM. You can click on save and the details get saved and this information get reflected in your organization. So this was all about the edit organization. Thank you.